I can't believe that my simple wrong text message from 14 years ago would turn into my forever. I know that we've been through a lot, and I am glad that we conquered each storm with proper communication and understanding.
I've known Jella for 15 years now. We met in high school. Just like what Ate Lisel said, she brought her to our tambayan and we clicked, so we were high school best friends.
Congratulations to the both of you. And like I always said, nandito lang ako. I'm just one call away or one text away for you guys. I know yung lahat ng pinagdaanan nyo. I know yung lahat ng you guys deserve each other.
Makoy, today I say I do, but to me, that means I will. I will take her hand and just stand by her side in good terms and the worst.
Cause for the first time I found something that will last. I found something that will last. Ikaw lang mahal. Laman ng
may letter. Buksan ko muna.
Hi, Pakoy. It's our wedding day. Naiyak.
Iyak ano? Ganda.
Despite my imperfections and flaws, who understands me the most and treasures everything that's important to me, especially my family. Thank you for being my biggest supporter and my relief. Thank you for being my best friend, my partner, my companion, and the love of my life.
I hope na gusto mo yung gift ko. Yan talaga pinili ko kasi nalulumatan lagi yung suot mo. I love you, Pakoy. See you down the aisle. Love, Makoy.
Ay babalik nung unang kang nakita. Muli kang liligawan ng muli kong maranasan ng umibig sa anghel sa lupa. Ikaw lang mahal. Laman ng tula. Tunog ng gitara.
Sana Makoy maging malakas pa ang relasyon nating dalawa. Hindi ko mapapromise na hindi kita masasaktan internally, pero I will try my best para malagpasan natin lahat ng mga pagsubok na mangyayari sa atin. I love you, Makoy. Road to forever. Love, Pakoy.
I promise to listen to you and learn from you, to stand with you against your troubles. I promise I will never stop massaging your back and help you make you fall asleep every night until we get old.
Nasa tadhanang minsan sa'yo'y namanghal. Ang oras ay nagbabalik lang sana. Ay babalik nung unang kang nakita. At aking iuulat sa iyong umabot ng walang hangganang storya nating dalawa. Ikaw lang mahal. Laman ng tula. Tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ng tinig ay di mawawala. Hiwag ka mang dala. Ikaw aking musika.
From this day forth, You complete me in many ways I never knew it's possible. You are my one and only today and every day. I love you so much, Ma.